like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make mask holder. So let's get started. First we will take a ring and a scissor and cut it like this way, and again cut it from some distance. Let's bend it little bit. Now let's take wool and sellotape and just cover the ring by using the wool. And the ring is covered. Now let's take foil paper roll and the paper and let's cover the roll with the paper. So our roll is covered. Now let's keep this aside. Now take a piece of a cardboard and a piece of a paper and cover the cardboard too. So let's cover it. So it has been covered. Now let's take a roll and a ring, and same way we have to make one more. Now let's assemble this. To stick this, I will take glue gun. Let's stick this all. If you don't have glue gun, you can use normal glue also. Now let's take the ring like this way. Let's stick it. And our mask holder is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.